Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Wearable support on the Sleep as Android app. To use support for your wearables on the Sleep as Android app, you want to go into Settings, here Sleep Tracking, then scroll down to Wearables, and then here tap on Wearables and choose the option that fits your device. There are many different options for many different types of devices. For example, for WearOS, where you will have to install Sleep on Android on the watch itself to also work together with your app on the phone. For Samsung Galaxy watches, for Garmin watches, for Xiaomi watches, many different options. Just pick the one that fits your device, or you can pick automatic or DIY. If your device doesn't have an option here, you might be able to find someone that made custom support, or you might be able to make your own, though it might not be too easy. You can also just pick automatic. It might work, might not work always, but it might work. In here you can also pick if you want to have certain features enabled. For example, heart rate monitoring. If you want to have the alarm sound also on your watch. If you want it to vibrate once it's connected. If you want the pulse oximeters to be enabled. If you want low breath rate alarms to also work. And that's it about wearables. You can also use it for if you have a partner, you might be able to sleeping in the same bed, that is. You might be able to use this option to maybe track yourself more accurately, because the movements of your partner, if you don't have this enabled, might be counted as your own, which could just make the sleep tracking accuracy a lot worse. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.